Hola, buenos dias! Today we're making tepache. It's a fermented, slightly alcoholic pineapple drink. It's delicious and refreshing, and it's very easy. First, we start with a pineapple. Remove the top and the bottom, and cut them into quarters. The middle part is a bit bitter, so discard that. We need all the skin and about half of the pulp, so the extra pulp you can save for later in your pina colada. Cut up the rest of the pineapple with the skin attached. We actually need the skin since it contains different kinds of yeast. Get a nice mason jar and dunk all of them in. Including this little slippery dude. Now add raw cane sugar, or piloncillo if you want to go all Mexican. Add about 3 or 4 tablespoons. And now we have our sugar and yeast, which will result in a bit of alcohol and CO2. Then fill it up with water to about an inch or 2.54 centimeters under the lid. And now let's spice it up. You can make it as spicy as you want. Either add a cayenne pepper, a jalapeno pepper, or for extra tangy and smokiness, a dried pepper like this Guajillo I found online. And he will also join the tepache party. I'm cutting off the top and I'm trying carefully to remove the seeds and open it up so I can lay it flat in the pan without any oil. Grill it for a few minutes in the pan. Meanwhile, I cut up the cayenne pepper and it's heated as well. The Guajillo is blistered nicely, so remove it from the pan. Add it to a baking dish and add some boiling water and let it steep for a while to soften and rehydrate the pepper. In the meantime, add your cayenne pepper to the jar and then add the rehydrated Guajillo. And why not add a bit of that delicious liquid as well? Let's throw it in too. Next up, star anise and a bit of cinnamon powder. And that's it. Close the hatch, give it a swirl, and we're ready to ferment. Let's stash it somewhere and wait a few days. Look at that ferment. Yes. Okay. Grab a bowl, a sieve, and a cheesecloth. Now pour it in. Try not to spill any of that liquid gold you got there. Also try to squeeze everything out using your cheesecloth. You want it till the last drop. Get a bottle and a funnel and carefully pour it in the bottle. Don't try this without a funnel, it won't work, I tried that. Close the hatch and store it for another 3 days at room temp. Now, 3 days later, it's time for el gran final. Sounds good. Not a lot of foam though, so there's room for improvement there. Now, the most important part, the final taste test. Whew, that tastes good. Also, it's great as a 50-50 mix with beer. Anyway, thanks for watching. I might make a few more of these. Doei!